What's up, event planners? You looking for ways to not only survive, but to thrive in your career? Take this pro tip I'm about to give you so you can one-up the competition. Welcome to the Elevate Experiences YouTube channel, where we share tips and best practices for your next event. As an event professional, you've got the unique opportunity to push the limits when it comes to your career. The best event planners don't just stay in the box, just simply doing what's expected of them. The top choice event planners are constantly looking for ways to break down the walls of stale events and go above and beyond for their clients. When it comes to the event industry, average just isn't enough. There are a surplus of event vendors, but here's the thing. The majority of event professionals, they don't take the time to exceed their clients' expectations. Some of the events that I personally go to, it feels like you're stuck in the 1980s or 70s or 60s, the approach people take to the event. It's just not fresh. But guess what? That's where you come in. Here's the pro tip, and I hope that you grab this one as simple but as profound as it is. Here it is. You ready? Surprise and delight. As an event planner, you want to look for ways to go above and beyond in every single way for your clients. Think of ways big or even better, small, where you can do something unexpected for your client or your guest. One thing we like to do here at Elevate is under-promise and over-deliver. You might want to think about in your context, what does that mean to under-promise for a client, but then over-deliver so they're raving at the end of your event? This means we make sure we fully understand our clients' expectations and only promise what we know we can do well. At the same time, we're constantly looking for ways to surpass their expectations. So this is simple, and you might be watching this video saying, I already knew that, but ask yourself practically, what does that mean to surpass my clients' expectations? In fact, have you ever been on the receiving end of a surprise and delight moment? Maybe you were a customer and the company went above and beyond to deliver exceptional service. Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear the organization and something specific that happened for you as you were on the receiving end of a surprise and delight moment. Now, in today's event world, it takes more than just the bare minimum to stay ahead of the game and become a top choice in our industry. In fact, in today's event world, a principle like surprise and delight isn't even a cherry on top, and it's probably something you didn't study at school if you were an event planning major. But it's super important to take steps to exceed your clients' expectations. It is literally a must-do in order to build your event planning career. So I challenge you to think through ways you can surprise and delight your client. Can you give them a custom swag bag or maybe even get them their particular coffee order for the morning of your event? You might even consider including a small service from one of your event planning packages that you didn't necessarily charge them for. This can go a long way to show them you care about them not as just a financial transaction, but as a client that you're fired up to serve. And guess what? You'll likely get referrals from them later down the road, and new business is a good thing, right? That sounds like a simple phrase, but building your business based on going above and beyond is something I highly recommend you do. Now, if you're looking for ways to stay ahead of the curve and gain even more event planning tips, you can get our free event resource called The Mic. The link is in the description below. Sign up for this free content, and once a week, you'll get event best practices that will help you think through ways to get better at what you do. Now, I would love if you subscribe to our channel and take a look at our other event planning videos as we put out tips and tricks for the event industry. All right, if you like this pro tip, go ahead and click that thumbs up on the video. And I want to say thank you for tuning in. I hope you surprise and delight those around you and take your game to the next level. Hope you enjoy this content. And if you're ready to surprise and delight, let's hear about it. Go do it at your next event.